This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about plates, specifically these porcelain modern plates. And we have a few styles to show you. The first is the square white modern flare. And as you can see, it's very aptly named. It has a little flare to the corner where it kind of peels up at the edge. It's 6 inches by 6 inches, and this one is also available in a 4-inch size as well. So you have some different size options beyond the little styles, which is fantastic. And this just has a very nice, sleek, flat, modern presentation with just that little added touch of detail that's not only beautiful, but also functional. It makes a great spot to grab those plates as well. We also have the rectangular Pega plate, which is 4 inches by 4 inches, and you can see it has this little kind of ruffled, crinkled design to it. So just a little bit of texture, which is really nice when you want something that's kind of subtle with just a little bit of interest and detail to it. And then we have the rectangular mini flat, and this one just has like this nice little square recessed area in the center, so it just has that little border or trim to it like a frame. So it's going to be perfect for framing up adorable petite little apps and desserts. And this one is 3.5 by 3.5. These are all made from high quality porcelain and have a pristine white color to them. So these are perfect dishes to serve appetizers, hors d'oeuvres, mini desserts, samples and small bites, but also to use as a bread plate, salad plate, or even a butter dish in your place settings. These all feature very simple, modern designs that are elegant yet subtle vehicles to really show off your foods. They're perfect for a variety of different types of events, to use in a variety of different restaurants, and even at elegant black tie affairs. These are great for using in commercial environments, as the porcelain they're made from is both durable and chip resistant, making these perfect for restaurants, bars, cafes, and caterers, or for use at home to add some special touches and flair to your dinner setup.